So guys, I have an issue with my circular blade, with all the blinds that I cut. Some of it's been stuck in the blade, so I thought I'd take the opportunity and show you how to actually remove a circular saw blade off the job saw. So I've still got some material stuck in there, so I think I might as well just take it apart, and it helps anyway to know how to change these blades when it's getting blunt. So I'll show you how to take it, and the only real big difference is these threads that actually hold this circular blade in place. It's reverse thread, so usually it's like lefty loosey, righty tighty. So in this case, when we remove it, we're going to tighten it to actually remove it, and it's held in by this Allen key screw here, but I'll show you now. So I've loosened this covering Allen key off. Usually there is a locking mechanism lever, and in this case it's this one here. So you just want to press that down, and when you press that down it locks it into place. So that's on mine, but I'm sure there'll be one on your job saw somewhere. You just got to locate it. So what I've done there, I've put my locking drop saw down so it locks into place. It's that simple. Geez, I had a bit built up there. I thought my blade was somewhat slowing down a bit. Put it down to the actual batteries. Well, now that I've cleaned up all the debris off the axle of it, it's about putting these back into the correct position. So you want to get these right, because this is what holds the blade in place. So you get the blade, and there's like a groove that makes the blade sit in nice and tight. So you want that in that. So that one goes first. And pop your blade on. See how it sits nice and snug. And then with the screw, remember, in this case, lefty tighty. You want to make sure there's no play in that, and remember to hold on to, press down on the button to lock it into place, and then we're tightening, which is left in this case because it's reverse thread. Good. So now that the blade's in, I'm going to put a battery in, make sure that there's no vibration. Smooth like butter. and because you're still tinkering around, make sure you disconnect the battery again. Now it's all about just putting this back into position, the safety guard. And final check. Job done.